In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable invisible mode on Telegram, so no one will be able to see if you are online or offline. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your Telegram and here tap on Settings. On that screen, select Privacy and Security option right here, and then in Privacy section, find Last Seen and Online, tap on that, and here you can select who will be able to see your timestamp. In my case, there is my contacts, but I can switch that option to nobody, and now no one gonna know if I'm online or I'm offline, and nobody will see the exact time I was last on Telegram. And there, down below, you can add some exceptions. For example, I need that person and that person to know and to get all this data. So that's how it works, and I hope it helps you. And before you go, please like and subscribe.